cannot go home. I got a letter, behold the day. It came from a sweetheart
so far away. She said she could be tried to be true, but now she's found somebody new. I want to go home.
I cannot go home. Send me to follow. Give me my palm. I want to fight till I die and never come back, and never come back,
and never come back, and never come back. I am a soldier. I do what I do. I'll be a soldier till I grow old. And if my sweetheart I say, I'll fight for my country's sake.
I will not go home. I cannot go home. I cannot go home. I cannot go home. Thank you.